are very important differences between the female face and the male face, and these differences have to be respected when treatment takes place, when non-surgical rejuvenation treatments take place. For example, for men, what is very, very important is to have a face that's not feminized. And one way is to make certain that if you do volumization, men lose volume towards this portion of the face. And so volumization has to take place here rather than on the cheekbone area, where women have to have a more projection in the cheekbone area. That's one thing. When it comes to the forehead area, the men have lower set brows that are horizontal. They go straight across the lower edge of the bone over the eye, of the orbit, whereas women have an arch that in their eyebrows that arches above the bone in the center, and the outer third of the eyebrow flares outward and upward. Now, in order to restore the youthful female face, we have to respect the fact that the outer third of the brow must go upward and outward, and that the arch must start towards the center or slightly outside of the center. But with men, we have to respect the fact that the brow is lower set and horizontal and straight across. Now, men also have a more prominent lower brow, with the center of their forehead being somewhat depressed, and it gives them a more masculine look in that area, and that has to be respected. We mustn't do anything to eliminate that, either the shape of the brow or the overall shape of the forehead. Now, when it comes to the jawline, men have a very, very strong angle of the jaw. It's strong and it's fuller. Women have a much thinner area, so we have to respect the fact that if we add things to this area of the face, we have to avoid doing it to the point in women where it gives them the boxier shape that is more characteristic of a man. Likewise, the projection of the chin in a woman is a much more gentle central projection, whereas the chin of a man is a much broader chin. So when we're doing non-surgical chin augmentation, we have to respect the difference. Not everybody gets a chin with a projection towards the center, which would be more a feminine characteristic. So it's very, very important when treating men not to feminize their faces, and likewise, conversely, it's very, very important not to masculinize a feminine face.